My name is Robert Brophy. I'm the catering manager in St Edith's Hospital in North County Dublin. We run a unique catering service in St Edith's here in Portrane. We deliver to a large number of external locations as well as internal locations on site. We have upwards of 11 external locations and 9 internal locations. In preparing the food, we have to be very conscious of the fact that a lot of our food is, unlike maybe our standard hospital where it's being pushed to different units on the corridors, we have some challenge in the extent that we have to get food to numerous external areas. One of the key focus has to be on getting the correct temperature and maybe somewhat higher than what would be considered the norm in the industry. One of the key aspects that ScanBox have provided is numerous different types of boxes to fit the different services that we have. Some of the services we provide here are obviously a hot lunch delivered to meals and meals services that go to Skerries, Russ, Lusk, Sword, Portrane and Donabate. So that allows us to keep the food hot, but also they have a full-length cold box, which also allows us then to send cold food to some of our more faraway locations such as Beaumont or Fairview, which on site then they can regen the food. So ScanBox, for me, has been the best in the market for being able to deliver food under the food guidelines and regulations safely. Food service here obviously is vital. We kind of try to rewrite the perception that hospital food can't be as good as it should, and some negative reports on social media, but I have a simple philosophy here that if you put good food in, you take good food out, and you don't have it sitting around for any length of time. So quality is paramount here, so it's our key and number one focus. Because of the numerous locations we deliver to, the ScanBoxes are plugged in first thing in the morning. There's a temperature check done on that. There's a visual dial on all the ScanBoxes that can kind of give us a guide whether they're currently operational or not. After that, between kind of the morning part, the boxes start to get loaded up with food, and at the end of the loading section, the temperature checks done, and they are distributed then to the numerous external locations as previously mentioned. We also deliver to our local staff dining halls, which would have nearly 150 customers a day, and again the distribution from the kitchen to the dining hall, which is about 1 kilometre away. There's no ever loss of temperature in this, so we always meet our set guidelines. I've been working now in the industry now for over 25 years, and down through the years we've seen various methods of food transportation, but nothing has beaten the standards that ScanBox have set. We've just introduced a new range of ScanBoxes there into our kitchen, and they're second to none. And for delivery of temperature, they can't be beaten, to be honest with you. So.